So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can wirelessly cast your laptop to TV. Now in order to do it, just simply go to the settings. Under the settings you can just simply search for the option of projection. Right there, projection settings. Inside of here you'll see this option of project. Here you can see the either you can project something to this PC as well, or you can just simply go to the action center, and from here you'll see this option of project, and from here you can easily find the wireless display from here only, or you can easily go to this option of connect to a wireless display as well, and from here you just simply hit on this option of connect and you'll find your TV name right in this list only. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.